Hi friends. Today my class is about the share market training. So myself Chandu. So I'm going to explain you what is share market, basic knowledge. So what is share market? How much money is needed to invest in the share market and types of markets are there. Okay. So what is share market? Share market बोले तो क्या? But what is share market is nothing but suppose one person has started the company. His name is ABC, and he invested 50 lakhs in that company. Okay, so here I will explain you what is share first of all. So, so this person uh, has 100% of shareholder on his name. So now his business is growing good in the globe level in the particular area. Now he want to distribute his business into globe level. So for that he need an worth of 40 lakhs to distribute. To spread his business in worldwide. He need some 40 lakhs of investment, but he doesn't have that investment. So what he will do? He will sell some of his uh, some of his share, that is so some of his shares to the public. Example, if he sells 10 rupees per share, okay, uh, of 4 lakhs worth, then he will be getting of 40 lakhs. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है बोले तो ये बंदा एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करके उसमें उन्हें 50 लाख इन्वेस्टमेंट करा, तो वहां पे इसको अच्छा सा बिजनेस ग्रो हुआ है। तो इन्हें ग्लोब लेवल में अ, उसका बिजनेस ही वांट टू इम्प्रूव। उसके लिए उसको 40 लाख होना है। तो कहाँ से आता है उसको इन्वेस्टमेंट? तो उसके लिए पैसे नहीं है 40 लाख। तो क्या करते हैं इन लोग जो कंपनी में इसको एक हिस्सेदार रहता है, 100%, 50%। A company register करे जब, if it is in partnership, then it will be divided into 50% of one person and 50% on another person. तो वैसा ही तो इन्हें यहाँ पे प्रोपरेटर है, तो इसको 100% इसका ही नाम है पूरा। तो इन्हें क्या करता है उसके ऊपर जो भी 25% या 25% या 30% जो भी है उसके ऊपर, वो उसमें से निकाल के उसका हिस्सा निकाल के उन्हें बेचता बाहर। तो यहाँ पे 10 रुपए एक शेयर उसका कॉस्ट है उन्हें। तो वो क्या करता है 4 लाख शेयर उन्हें बेचता है, इसको पब्लिक को बेचता है। तो पब्लिक क्या करता है, वो पब्लिक ने they will buy that shares on 10 rupees. ओके, तो वो कितना होता है, 40 lakhs होता है उसका। ओके, तो ये पहले सेल करना बोले तो पहले ये आदमी बीएसई में रजिस्टर करना पड़ता है। रजिस्टर करके आईपीओ बोलते हैं। ओके, तो वो आईपीओ में लिस्ट करके ओपन होते टाइम पे ही ये शेयर सेल कर सकता है शेयर्स। ओके, तो यहाँ पे शेयर मार्केट, एक्चुअली शेयर मार्केट में कितने टाइप्स का है, लाइक हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ शेयर मार्केट्स आर देयर। वन इज I mean, before going to that, I will explain. Like in olden days, if you want to buy some stocks, Okay, if you want to buy some stock, then we used to have like we used to go to that particular broker and we used to get manually some on papers that like I have been buying this and so we need to pay that amount. Then we will be getting the post via post to our home these stocks. But nowadays, everything is on digital. So no need of going to broker and no need to pay there and we need to wait until that stock papers need to get to our home. Okay, so now everything is on digitalized. If you want to buy some stock, then simply select that stock and we can buy number of quantities. Okay, so in that there are two types of stock exchanges, NSE and BSE. NSE is nothing but National Stock Exchange and BSE is nothing but Bombay Exchange, sorry, Bombay Stock Exchange. So in NSE, there are around 1700 companies has been registered and also in BSE, there are around 4500 companies are already registered. So in National Stock Exchange, there will be a Nifty. It will be operated from the Delhi and also BSE. BSE is like it deals with the Sensex. So these will be operated from the Mumbai. So these NSE and BSE are like those will be work on SEBI guidelines. SEBI is nothing but Security Exchange Board of India. Okay. So how to get an account? I mean, share market could like how we can start the share market. How we can buy, how we can sell. So, in order to buy or sell the product, we need to have one demat account and one saving account. And once after getting the demat account, we can log in by using the web console or the by applications. Okay, so demat account is something like there you will be there are few companies like Zerodha, Five Paisa, the Share Khan, and there's some extra, some Profit Mart, and etc. Some companies are there, so they act like a broker. So directly we can open an account and from them, and then they will be giving the access to us, and they will be linking our saving account to the demat account so we can deposit some amount into the demat account from savings account to demat account. So there after that you can uh, you can buy or sell the products. I mean you can buy or sell the stocks. Okay, so there are a few types of trading. Like there will be something called like intraday trading, or else healthy trading, or option tradings. So these are the different types of trading. So those I will be explaining in the other session. So uh, okay, and also the share market depend. It works on two bases. One is technical analysis, and another one is an fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is nothing but suppose if someone or some company, take example of HDFC. HDFC banks, like they will be having uh, every quarterly reviews. So in that quarterly, Q1, Q2, Q3, it will be. So they will be showing their profits or losses. If the HDFC has a good profit, okay, then the stock will be good. to the highs. I mean, the value of that stock will be increasing. Okay. If the HDFC for that quarter is not good, I mean, so from the previous quarter, it has a less performance, then the value of the share will be reduced. This is fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is nothing but like there we will be having uh, indicators. I mean charts, pie bars. So some indicators will be there. So based on that, we can analysis prior to the quarter release only. We can analysis. Okay, now it is going to fall or it is going to increase. Okay, coming to the starting side. So so as of now, you have been understood. So what is share? Okay, then so here some like I have bought some thousand shares on 10 rupees. Okay. Then afterwards, the Mr. X person has globally he has expanded his business, so it's working fine. Okay. So if it is working fine, then the Mr. X person does will give amount on his profits to us? No. Then what is the benefit for us? Benefit is here the price is 10 rupees when we were buying. So once after company performance is good, and then the price of that particular share will increases either with like 1 rupee or else it will increase by 5 rupees or 20 rupees. Example, it is increased only 1 rupee. That is 11 rupees per share. So how many I took? 1000. Then 1000 into 11 rupees. That is 11,000. How much I invested? 10 rupees into 1000. That is 10,000. So how much have we got profit? 1000. So in that way, the value of the share will be increased. Suppose if that Mr. X person of his company is not performing well after he expands to the global level, then the price value may come down to 9 rupees or 7 rupees. So before buying any share, we need to see the fundamental analysis, how the quarter results are there. So those things I will be explaining in the next sessions. Okay. So for any other clarifications, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So that will be given in the description, or else you can call me or call me. I'll be providing the number in the description. Thank you.